Would you like to order and install a ventilation controller and have everything preset for you? This is how you go from your head into ours. I'll show you how to do it. So the first step is you go to Google Maps and just take a snip of your barn. Like I've got here. This is actually the barn that I helped build back in the day. It's my dad's barn. When I was 25, we did all the concreting, and I decided that's too hard work. Editor, take that out. You got the snip of your barn. First step is draw out which way is north. This direction is north. And then you draw a line for every curtain. You want to know which, we got to know which is the top and the bottom curtain. Step one, draw a line. We got a top and a bottom curtain on the south side. Right down like that. And I know the motors are in the middle. Put a circle where the motors are. Then here on the west end, we drive in there. The feeder wagon drives in there. And there's top and bottom ones. So there you can see these 4 lines. The motors are on the ends right there. So that shows you where the motors are. If you don't know where the motors are, why, that's not a big deal. But if you do know, put it there, because we'll make wiring diagrams that are easier for you to follow if you tell us. So this is one long curtain down through here, or at least it was when I was putting it up 15 years ago. 250 foot. It's actually not a big curtain, but when you're pulling it yourself, it sure is. The motors are there. Over here on this end, it's the kind that rolls up from the center and you can drive your skid loader in through. This is not a double roll up. If you had 3 curtains, if you had top, middle, and bottom, you just put 3 marks there. Give this to us. We'll take this and we'll draw out where the wires go. We'll say, hey, you want the controller right here at this spot. Then we'll draw lines in from here to here. You're going to need 4 conductors, 12 gauge, with a ground. And then you're going to need a wire from there. That's going to be 4 conductors, 2 motors, proceed. There, boing, boing. So then we'll tell you how many wires you need to pull. This is no fancy drawing, but at least it gives your electrician a really good head start on how to wire it. Then we'll show you where to hang the sensors. We'll send the drawing back along with the unit, preset for your barn, and we'll do a good job at putting the settings in for you before you ever get it. It actually makes our lives easier and your life easier all at the same time. Thank you very much for watching.